we're just waiting for more people to join in. My name is Surbhi. I am from the team Saroj Fabrics. Saroj Fabrics deals into various fashion design of fabrics. We have Saroj Fabrics has stores in Mumbai at Khar, Borivali, as well as Pune and Jaipur. We have an online store called as sarojfabrics.com. We supply fabrics to various designers. So we are waiting for more people to come live. So today we have a very interesting fashion designer. Her name is Shweta Agarwal. She's been a designer have an experience of more than 25 years. She's been buying fabrics from Saroj Fabrics from last 25 years. So here we have she has her own brand name called as Sozin Kari. She's from Kolkata and has worked with various other designers. We are waiting for Shweta Agarwal to please come online. Hi Shruti, hi Marka, hi everyone, hi Kajol. We can have a small Q&A session with the designer after we have spoken with her. So today we're going to talk about various pro fashion tips. She's going to give us some tips on the fashion secrets and also going to talk about how to dress up nice in fashion. Okay, there's some issue. Let me again try and call her. Hang on. Thank you, AKS Bhojania. We are glad. Thank you so much. Can I please request Sozin Kari to please come online? We are waiting for her to come. So today we're going to get a very good fashion tips from a designer live from her. If you have any question in regards to what you should wear or how you should design, keep your questions intact. You can write down your question and we can answer it after the session we have with her. She has an experience in women's fashion from last 25 years plus. And Saroj Fabrics is associated. She's associated and has been buying fabrics from Saroj Fabrics since last more than 25 years. Can I please ask Sozin Kari to please come online? We are just trying to add her. Hang on till the video is on and watch the video till the end to get all your questions be cleared on the fashion. Hi Sejal, hi Pavi. You have any questions for Saroj Fabrics till then? Till we have Sozin Kari and Shweta Agarwal online. Oh, hi.
Hi.
Hi, Shweta. How are you doing?
Hi. All well.
How is it?
Thank you so
time treating you?
Oh, I'm loving it. I'm loving the piece and I'm doing a lot of designing. So it's treating me very, very well.
Oh, that means you have been active all the time. Just like Saroj Fabrics.
Absolutely. We don't get time to design, so it's nice, now we're getting all the time in the world to come up with something creative.
Oh my God, I'm so glad. So here we are with Shweta Agarwal. Shweta Agarwal, we have lined up some questions for you, which we'll be throwing on you one after the other. And please give us nice tips to all the viewers of Instagram. Really looking forward.
Absolutely.
You're looking very pretty today.
Thank you so much.
Please tell us something about the brand Sozankari. What is this brand name Sozankari all about?
Okay. Sozankari means embroidery. It's a Urdu word, and I'm very, very passionate about embroidery, coming up with different embroidery settings, intricate embroidery. So at Sozankari, we do a lot of hand embroidery, a lot of intricate hand embroidery, and we try to work with motifs which are not just floral. We come up with motifs which are different, which is pretty challenging to work with also.
Oh wow, so you mean Sozankari is all about embroidery. So can you tell us what embroideries are you working or have you worked with till now?
Okay, so basically the Victorian flamboyant, literature really inspires me a lot. So we've worked with motifs like chandelier, which is inspired by the story Beauty and the Beast. Then we've worked with chariots, which is again inspired by Cinderella. And then we've done motifs which is inspired by Malwine. We've done vineyards and honeycomb together. So we always try to come up with something different, rather than doing the regular stuff.
So I can understand that you are really associated and loving wholeheartedly the Disney thing. Because when you're talking about chariots, so the Beauty and the Beast. We are so glad to know that those embroideries of the Beauty and the Beast are coming live on your dresses. It's very interesting to know about your designs. Can you tell us about something about your career as a fashion designer? How have it been? I just told the viewers that you have been working with other prominent designers in the industry. Can you please tell us your story?
Oh, I've had a fabulous fashion career. I started my career very early at the age of 17. I was working at Sheetal Design Studio with Hemant Trivedi, where we were doing wardrobes for Miss Universe, Miss World, all the pageants like Diana Hayden, Yukta Mukhi, Priyanka Chopra. So it was a fabulous journey for me working with him and learning from sir himself, because I feel the kind of insight and the kind of vision what he has is impeccable. So that's been very, very nice.
So what experience? What have you worked with Hemant Trivedi? What it was like? What fabrics? What designs? What made? We just saw an image of you working with him and Diana Hayden. You had dressed her for Miss World.
True. So with him, we used to come up, we used to think out of the box. We have made bodysuits with saris. We've done knotted blouses with traditional Kanjivarams, which was quite iconic, or, no one else was doing. We've done, embroidery on stretch fabric way back in the 1990s. And we used to have these nice spaghetti blouses with brooches. And we've worked a lot with Swarovski crystals as well.
So you mean to say what is going on right now? You have worked already with those things in 97. You have been so pro fashion. That's so amazing to know.
Absolutely.
So what inspires you, or who do you admire in this fashion world?
Here I would say it's I would say that it's, for me, I have had an epiphany that when it comes to designing, there are actually no rules, it's how you can let your imagination just flow, and just things around inspire me. Or, there are these women who have ways, and I'm like, wow, the way they carry themselves, and moreover, I think so. I have learned a lot from Hemant Trivedi himself.
Oh, great. So your Hemant Trivedi for you is a very big admirer. I hope he's listening to this thing. And one more thing I would say, I think Disney also inspires you a lot because we are seeing chariots in your embroidery.
True.
That's wonderful.
That's true.
Okay, so you are a Kolkata designer, as we know. So what is the intricacy about Kolkata? What is it that we can see about Kolkata in your designs?
I feel the Calcutta is the best place to work with for craftsmanship in the country. The intricacy, what's here in Calcutta, and which is because of the culture, the rich culture and heritage. It can be seen in each and every outfit. When you see an outfit which is from a Calcutta designer, you will come to know because they really go deep down while creating a motive. It's very intricate, it's very thought of, and there are layers in embroidery when we speak about an outfit from Calcutta.
So that's amazing that Calcutta, I mean, you as a designer, you were born, I mean, you're lucky to be in Kolkata and, being so rich with culture and that richness, you're getting it on the clothes and we are getting to wear those clothes. So amazing. We would like to know how does Sozen, how can we wear, where can we purchase the Sozenkari from? We are so inspired with your ideas of having chariots and chandeliers and vineyards on the fabric, on the designs. So can you tell us where can we buy your clothes from?
Okay, Sozenkari is available in stores pan India. We supply at Aza in Bombay, Ogan, Kala Ghoda. We are available at Mesaki, Bharti's. We are available in Delhi, Aza also. And we are available in stores in Calcutta, Hyderabad, Guwahati, Surat. And we even do exhibitions like Bridal Asia in Bombay and Delhi as well. And we do good exhibitions pan India too.
So that's so amazing to know that, not only in Bombay or in Kolkata, we can also find you in Delhi and many other places in India as well. That's lovely. Can you tell us what particular fabrics do you specially buy from Saroj Fabrics, and how are you using those fabrics in your garments? We would really love to know that.
Okay. So I always approach Saroj to whether they've come up with a new fabric or they've sourced new fabric, and they always surprise me with new fabrics. And I really trust the quality of Saroj fabrics, so I use it by seeing which fabric will go with which fabric, rather than just constructing the garment in one fabric itself.
Oh, that means you use organza, you use chiffon, you use chanderis, and club them into one design, and then you present with the embroidery with Sozenkari. That is embroidery, and then you present it to the people. That's amazing. Right. We would like to, can you give us, our Instagram family, some tips on how to decide a good Indo-Western wear? How do we decide, okay, this design is very good for us? How do we do that?
Okay. I feel that here a client should actually pay heed to a designer's instinct, because they've come up with something which they've created. They should talk to a designer, find out whether it will look good on their body or not. And I would want clients to develop their own style, their own personality, to see whether they can pull off something or not. And for Indo-Western outfits, fitting is very, very important. Which is not that, so in a completely Indian wear, maybe a tunic or something. But when it comes to an Indo-Western outfit, the fitting has to be absolutely 100% to the body type. And after studying the body type of a client, they should talk to the designer whether it will look good on them. And there are multiple ways you can, use your Indo-Western outfit with.
Give me 5 minutes.
So you mean to say that we have to see a fitting and a comfortability with respect to having any fashion, pro fashion tips, right? So that's great to know.
Right.
We would like to know what strategies or what upcoming plans do you have during this COVID-19? What designs or the secrets you would like to reveal us with respect to Sozankari?
Okay. So, seeing the current times right now at Sozankari, we are designing collections which are more cost effective, obviously keeping style statement in mind. And we're trying to come up with outfits which can be worn individually also. More like power dressing, where you can wear the pieces individually also, and you can combine the pieces and wear the garment on the whole also, you know. So in one outfit we are trying to create three outfits, so you can, it can be worn in multiple ways.
Oh, that's great. So one of our viewers have a question. Okay, which would you like? We will go for a quick Q&A session now, so people can start putting up questions. So one of our viewers have put questions saying that which colors you think would be in trend for the upcoming season. Can you please tell us some colors?
Right. So old rose, it's gonna really come in a big way for autumn winter.
That's amazing. Old rose.
And we are gonna have old rose, and shades of red will always be there. Nice tone of mustard yellow.
Wow.
It's gonna be there for autumn winter, and even tones of a nice lilac. It's gonna be big for autumn winter 2021.
So you are saying, so we work with lilacs. That means now we know all the colors you're working with. You're working with mustard yellow, lilac, and many more. We are ready to take any more questions. You can please put forward your questions. Anybody wants to. Anything, Shweta Agarwal, would you like to tell us, our viewers, anything you want to speak and tell us something about your, anything, whatever you wish to speak?
I would just like to tell, what I would like to tell everyone is that please have your own style, you know. Don't just wear anything because it's in fashion. If it's your style, wear it, go for it, and create your own style statement, you know. Your outfits always should define what kind of a person you are. So I feel everyone has a designer within themselves, and they should, you know, let just follow their instincts and just go with the flow and create your own style.
And that's amazing. So one of our viewers has a question saying that what is the most selling range which works for your brand?
At Sozankari, we try to keep our pieces very well priced. So for us, things which are priced at 13,900 or even at 9,900, it sells very well for us.
So you mean
things
to say
which
that
are within 10.
With the chariot embroideries and such a rich embroidery of Calcutta, we are getting the pieces only for rupees
13,900.
That's amazing. Yeah. Okay. How do you plan to handle logistics once the lockdown is over? Do you have anything to say on it?
So once we receive the order, take the measurement, right, and piece to them. Delivery time.
Okay.
Because our team really works very hard. So courier to clients and India based on their body measurements.
Okay, so we find you in all of India and keep buying Sozankari. Thank you so much, Shweta Agarwal, to be with us. We were so happy to talk with you. Thank you for your tips to all the viewers of Instagram. We look forward to working with you. Thank you from the team of Saroj Fabrics.
Thank you, Saroj
See you.
Fabrics. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, bye.
मुझे बाहर निकला हुआ है दे दे बहुत ठंडा है नहीं मुझे ठंडा मत देगा
देखिएगा